Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment model paper 3 2025-26 class 9th subject maths question paper with the answer. Discuss this question paper. Download to the WhatsApp group. Link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and comment on the video. Let's start the paper. First section, answer the following question. Each questions of 1 marks, total question of 15, total marks of the 15. Let's start the first question on the section A. Figure that have the same shape and same size are called similar, equal, congruent, identical. Which one is the right answer? Right answer is a congruent. Figure matching exactly in both shape and size are defined as congruent. Question number of 2. The symbol used denoting congruence. Option A, option B, option C, option D. What is the right answer? Right answer of option B is the correct answer of the second question. What is the third of question? The abbreviation CPCT stands for common part of congruent triangle, corresponding parts of congruent triangle, congruent property of common triangle, none of the above. Which one are right answer? Right answer is the option B is the right answer, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Question number of 4. Each angle of an equilateral triangle measure 45 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, 180 degree. Triangle is a 180 degree divided of 3 parts. That means 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja, 3 0 ja. 60 degree is the correct answer of the equilateral triangle. Question number of 4, 60 degree. Question number of 5. AAS congruence rule stand for angle, angle side, angle, angle surface, area, angle side, none of the above. What is the right answer? Right answer angle, angle side. Option C is the correct answer. Congruence rule using two angle and non included side of a triangle. Question number of 6. A quadrilateral with both pair of opposite sides is parallel. Trapezium, kite, parallelogram, rhombus. What one is the right answer? Right answer of the question number of 6, parallelogram. Option B is the right answer of parallelogram. A quadrilateral defined by having both pair of opposite sides are parallel. Question number of 7. A parallelogram with one right angle is a rhombus, trapezium, rectangle, kite. What is the right answer? Right answer is a rectangle is the correct answer of the 7th question. A parallelogram with one right angle implies all angle are 90 degree. That means a rectangle. Question number of 8. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite angles are equal, different, 90 degree, supplementary. What is the right answer? Right answer is a equal is the right answer because a quadrilateral is a parallelogram in both pair of opposite angles are equal. Question number of 9. A quadrilateral with only one pair of opposite sides parallel is parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, rectangle. Answer will be trapezium because defined as the quadrilateral having exactly one pair of opposite sides. Question number of 10. A line drawn through the midpoint of the one side of a triangle parallel to another side is perpendicular to the third side. Bisect the third side is twice the third side? None of the above. Which one answer? Answer option B is the correct answer. Bisect the third side. Converge of midpoint theorem, line from midpoint parallel to side bisect third side. Question number of 11. The collection of all point in a plane equidistance from a fixed point is triangle, square, circle, parallelogram. What is the answer? Answer is a circle. A circle is a locus of all point equidistance from a fixed center. Question number of 12. The fixed point in a circle is called radius, chord, center, diameter. What is the right answer? Right answer is the center. Right answer is the center is the correct answer. The fixed point from which all points on the circle are equidistant. Question number of 13. The angle in a semicircle is acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. What is the answer? Answer is a right angle. Option B is the correct answer of the 13th question. The angle subtended by a diameter at the circumference is always 90 degree. Question number of 14. A quadrilateral is called cyclic if all its four vertices lie on square, parallelogram, circle, line. What is the correct choice of the answer? Answer is a circle. Circle is the right answer. Cyclic quadrilaterals are defined by having all four vertices on a circle. Question number of 15. The sum of either pair of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 90 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree, 270 degree. What is the right answer? Right answer 180 degree. Opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, summing to 180 degree. This is the first bit of the 15th question belonging to the MCQ multiple choice question, and choose the correct answer. Section of 2. Answer the following question. 2 cross 2 equal to 4 of marks. Question number of 16. Determine if it possible to construct a triangle with side 5 cm, 8 cm and 1 cm, providing justification. And 17th of question. The angle of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1 ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. Find each of angle. Question of 18 belonging to the section of third. Each question of carry of 4 marks. Long step of the solution. Question number of 18. So that if the sum of a pair opposite angle of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, the quadrilateral is cyclic. And the question number of 19 is a proof of the question. Prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite angles are equal. And the section number of 4, 8 marks of the question, long step of the solution. 8 marks is a complete solution, and distributed is the step up marks. Question number of 820. Three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are standing on a circle radius 5 meter. If the distance between Reshma and Salma is 6 meter and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter, find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. This is a conceptual base of the solution, and the internal of the question. State and prove ASA rule, angle side angle rule, and so the sum of any two side of a triangle is greater than the third side. This is a complete paper of self-assessment model paper 3 2026. This paper is a very important for the examination and understanding. Thanks to watch, like and share and comment on the video. Thank you so much.